have to excuse my COVID hair. Oh, I haven't had it cut in so long. I don't know what to do with it. It's a pain in the backside. Right, I'm moving at the end of the month, which means all of these lovely things I've set out in here, all in a nice little order, has to be packed away because there's some real vintage stuff in there and I don't want it to get broken. So I'm going to have to pack up. I've got my Millennium Falcon down there, which I'm working on. Can you see that there? Yep. Down here, I've also got my ATA and my X-Wing, which I want to get cleaned up at some point. That'll be another thing. You know, I'm doing a project on the Millennium Falcon. I've already started that. I'm going to continue that in the new house when we get moved at the end of the month. I hate moving. Absolutely hate moving. Right, let's get this packed away. I'm looking at getting these boys and girls, my Alien Predators, packed away first because I've got a box and I've got some packing peanuts for them. The rest of the stuff I need to wrap a little bit more nicely. I think it's probably the word for that. So I need to wait till I get some bubble wrap. I'm going to get that later on today, hopefully. I'm going to start packing these away now and then start packing the rest. Let's do this. Okay, so the Aliens and Predators are packed up in their own box. There's lots of those peanut things in there and some Amazon wrapping stuff, all bits and pieces. I also have some of this from, I don't know whether that's my PC or something or other, bit of an ad. So I'm going to pack that in there as well and get it nice and tight and packed. Everything's in there just about right. Some of it stood up, some of it's laid down. It's all in one box, which is awesome really. And we're not going that far, so I'm not too worried about it. It's going to go in the car, you know, probably by itself, I'd imagine. And some of this other stuff I'm going to get packed up a little bit later on. I'll do a little bit of video for that as well. And yeah, see some more packing material. If anybody has any bubble wrap, packing peanuts, anything like Amazon boxes with the stuff, I've got some stuff down there, where's that? So this kind of stuff, someone's got this kind of stuff anywhere, give me a shout if you're local to Portsmouth. I'll come and pick it up off if you don't need it. That would be pretty awesome. I need some of that in the next couple of days. I've got some really nice stuff in there. I just need to pack nicely. I know we're not going very far, but if I break anything, I'll never forgive myself. Okay, so that's all my decent Star Wars miniatures packed up. Nothing much left in there. Quite sad really, but this will be moved to the new place. It'll all get put back in. I'm going to clean it all up. I'm going to try and get this stuff off. Stuff's on there like mad. I don't know what I can use now. If anyone's got any ideas what's best to use to get that thing off there. It is ground on. You see I've taken blades to that and everything. If anyone's got any ideas, please drop me a comment or send me a message, whatever. Let me know what's best to get off. Okay, thanks for watching. The next time you see the stuff get put back, you will be seeing me in the new place. I do have other bits to pack up there. I've now got another whole box there full of Millennium Falcon bits. There's like 2 whole Millennium Falcons in bits in that box. So I don't know what we'll do with that yet, whether I'm going to make them both up or complete that one and make another one up, sell it, I don't know. Until I get it out, probably going to be in the new place. I won't know until that point. Anyway, if anyone wants to buy a Millennium Falcon, proper old school NECA stuff, let me know. I may have one going soon when I build it. Right, it's late, I'm off to bed. Have a good evening. See you later. Bye. force be with you.